for joining us with your perspective on this story. Now, social media is abuzz with outrage over the Vijay versus CJP row. Netizens are slamming the government's order as an attempt to muzzle student voices. Hina Sharma is joining us for more details on this story. Hina, how are people online reacting to this row?
Yes, so thanks.
Absolutely, Uday. In fact, we are seeing a sort of a conflict between two factions, where one faction is continuing to toe the line that TVK earlier took, which is barring students from participating in the protest led by CJP and the left parties, while the other section is in fact criticizing the step taken by the TVK government. Now, of course, we do know that now the order has been reversed, but let's take a look at some of the reactions that are pouring in on social media platforms. In fact, would like to point out to this particular tweet that is backing TVK's earlier decision, saying that joint action to be taken to prevent students from participating in protests organized by left parties and CJP. It is a move that this particular person is in fact backing and welcoming, saying that students must not be used for political gains. It also says that their education, future and safety must always come first. So seems like this person is towing the TVK line. In fact, do remember, Uday, that TVK earlier also passed a resolution in assembly asking for the complete scrapping of the NEET examination and only relying on the 12th class examination for further studies in medical. Another person who has in fact reacted on this particular development that has now turned controversial is this person, Pranesh, goes by the name Pranesh, who says that Chief Minister has taken the right decision in this matter. Please stick with it. If other parties oppose it, he may reconsider his decision. When we have an elected system, why do students need to protest? So of course, a line that is extreme here, asking that students do not have the right to protest, and thus TVK must stick with its earlier decision. Now, another tweet that we are getting is this one from Kishore Keswami, who is reacting to the development, saying that joint action must be taken to prevent students from participating in protests organized by left parties and CJP. TVK government has in fact directed the school education department also giving in the entire order details, but essentially again backing the TVK party. Here we have another person reacting to it, and in fact criticizing the move taken by the TVK government earlier, where the Directorate of Collegiate Education, which is, not to forget, Uday, is being led by Chief Minister Vijay himself. He is handling the portfolio, which actually gave the order to all the institutions, police authorities and other district administration to in fact ensure that the students are barred and banned from participating in protests led by the CJP and left. So this person is essentially criticizing the move, saying that TVK has once again proven that it has no understanding of how democracy works. The person has also said that Chief Minister Vijay's government is now prohibiting students from involving in protest of CJP and left, and also saying that when dissent is met with police strong arm tactics, authoritarianism is policy. So in fact, lashing back and pushing back at the TVK's earlier order, saying that this is how TVK understands how democracy works. Another, let's also take a look at this particular tweet by a person named Chetan Ahimsa. Here, the person is saying that good that TVK has revoked the order about students participating in the protest. So remember, now we are standing when TVK has already revoked the decision. Remember, also comes after a lot of political party leaders, and CJP in fact has also reacted and pushed back to the TVK government order. Also remember, the offshoot, or you can see the Tamil Nadu chapter of Cockroach Janata Party has had a huge pushback on this particular order, and after that it has now been revoked, and this person is essentially appreciating the, you can say, corrective measure that has been taken by the TVK government, saying that what is clear is that Chief Minister Vijay has very little cognizance of what is democratic and wants to stifle any political opposition. So again, lashing back at the earlier order, saying that authoritarianism is a clear sign of inadequacy. We also have Radhika Khera in fact reacting to it, saying that Congress Vijay Tamil Nadu government diktat to colleges, police, district administration was that don't go to CGP leftist rallies.
Okay.
She also said that the order read coordinate action to prevent students, youth from joining protests. Of course, laying down this order and targeting Rahul Gandhi, essentially saying that this is not done. This is injustice for the students. Another person reacting saying that
All right,
it's a
stay
good
with us. In
initiative,
fact, we have Ruchit